Good evening, class. My name is Shannon Dilger. I'm presenting to you my critical appraisal of technology. The technology that I have chosen to do the appraisal on is Medtronic VitalSync. VitalSync is a monitoring and clinical decision support solution. The clinical decision technology is used with third-party bedside technology. It's merged into one platform using the Medtronic VitalSync, which uses your hospital's current server. What clinical decision support does, it provides clinicians, staff, patients, and other individuals with knowledge and person-specific information intelligently filtered or presented at appropriate times to enhance health and healthcare. The most important function of the CDS system is the promotion of the patient safety. The mission is to integrate physiological information from the bedside devices and transmit that data from those third-party devices to the hospital server. The main purpose is to gain more value from the hospital's medical devices that provides you with the right information at the right time and provide the right care to avoid the preventable and to take care of your patient. The clinical areas that are involved or the use of bedside monitoring are the areas that use bedside monitoring and life-sustaining equipment. The area that we will be looking at first will probably be the critical care areas with the ventilators to start with. The areas that will also be involved are biomedical, information technology, our safety department, and our alarm management committee. The personnel that I have spoke to, Barbara Omeg, she is our VP of Nursing and Policy. She just does our policy and practice. She is responsible to review all the equipment and write policy and practice guidelines. Eileen Rabert, she is the point of contact for clinical nurse specialists to understand and educate staff regarding the system in our critical care area. Stephen Kohler, he's our respiratory therapist contact for VitalSync, and he was helping to evaluate and disseminate the information regarding the program. And Chuck Don Moyer, he is the biomed director. He ensures the resources and members are trained and understands the technology. Currently, our systems, we have in our intensive care units, the ventilators currently. The patients or settings are adjusted in their room. They do not interface on a dashboard. Our patients are connected to a Philips bedside monitor that captures their vital signs, their EtCO2, SpO2, respiratory rate, and they are monitored at central monitoring stations. What the VitalSync application does independently integrates into the EMR using the existing infrastructure and ADT systems. All right, this is the Medtronic VitalSync application. It uses the connections from the third-party devices into the VitalSync platform, and then it pulls it all together, and then it puts it out into these devices. And I will now show you the video. Get it right. Come on. Okay, that's the video, and it's there for you if you want to come and look at it. And it also has the link to the website if you have any further questions. This is the portable dashboard. This is the dashboard where the physician can access the patient's information. This information, once the third-party device information gets put into the VitalSync platform, you'll be able to remotely access it through a smart device or smartphone, and this is what the dashboard looks at. So if the doctor wants to take a look at how his patient's doing on the ventilator, all the settings will be right there. And the larger one is the early warning system one. Our evidence to support implementation. 27 billion is spent in the U.S. on mechanical ventilation, which equals 12% of the healthcare costs. Implementation of VitalSync has improvements that have been significantly seen within the first 4 months of implementation of the spontaneous breathing trial weaning protocol with the application. Weaning too late for the patient on a ventilator increases the time on the vent, increases the chance for ventilator-associated pneumonia by 1%, which increases your hospital length of stay, and it increases your costs. Weaning too early, you have a 5 times higher risk for ventilator-associated pneumonia, a 7 times increased mortality risk, increased risk of intubation, and significantly increased length of stay into the ICU. Satisfaction with systems will be determined because the program has not been implemented within the healthcare system. The presentation of the program and indication of the application are only available resources that we have at the current time. A previous employee had tried the devices and really felt as though it was fit the organization very well. And current methods that we use for ventilator weaning are based on the clinician's judgment and the implementation of the VitalSync will allow that respiratory therapy to have more interaction with the system and better patient management. Advantages. The average cost of a patient that's been currently ventilated is $2,300 per day. After that 4th day, it increases to $3,900 per day. So reduction in cost is a big reason to implement a program that will help deal with spontaneous breathing trials and weaning therapy, weaning protocols. You reduce 20% of patient throughput, which would increase, creating a higher revenue and the ability to care for more patients because you're able to wean patients off that are taking up the ICU bed longer, and then it decreased time spent on weaning. The spontaneous breathing trials and weaning protocols can take up to 25% of the total mechanical ventilation time. Your disadvantages are, of course, additional monitoring systems and where do we place those monitoring systems, how do we alert the staff, what do we use to alert the staff with, do we use the Voceras, do we use smartphones, smart devices, do we use pagers, things like that, and who gets the alerts. There's going to be more people involved in the process, so you may see that there are the intensivists may be involved, the respiratory therapists are involved, who's making changes, I mean, you should, how can you see the changes, things like that. Of course, additional training and education, more training. Everybody is stressed in, so you feel like another additional training program is just going to, be a little bit too much right now. And of course, additional alarms, are we going to get more alarms with this system since it's independent of some of the other ones, or is it going to alarm with the other system alarms? Those are just things that have to be worked out. Organizational support. The organization is committed to implementing this program. Um, we have been working on it for 2 years. We have recently changed management. All the committees have been reorganized. All committees involved include safety practice, biomed, IT, purchasing. Um, the program is in the planning phase before implementation. Current support system is available for any clinical staff or any clinical program or the help desk biomedical department. They're available for immediate support. Um, and then um, major issues that we've had along the way is implementing the program because we've had about the 2 years and we've had changes in leadership and delaying the program implementation because of the expansion of our hospital and changes in leadership and reorganization of all the departments. Recommendations. Most clinical decision solutions improve the quality of care that lead to enhanced health outcomes for patients. They help to avoid errors and adverse events. It improves efficiency. The cost benefits outweigh the risks, and they improve provider and patient satisfaction. The providers are able to access the patient information a lot easier. They can access it at home, um, which is great. Um, yeah, I strongly recommend it. If it's any product that can integrate multiple systems, um, that can benefit our patients and can make it safer for our patients when we practice care, as long as it's not making not causing additional extra work or additional noise. I strongly encourage it. Um, the outcomes from the Medtronic spontaneous breathing trial data has been significant. So, if it's something that works, then why not? I'm all for the implementation of the system. And there are talks that some of this system can help with positioning and charting the positioning of your patients, things like that. So when you do a pressure ulcer, charting things like that. There's a lot of things that this technology can do for us that it's just in the beginning stages. Especially, it depends on what the hospital purchase, but I believe the first thing that we're looking at is start with the leading trial and the applications for the spontaneous breathing trial and the ventilator support application. But nobody's really sure where we're going to go with this yet. So, but it's been on the radar for the last 2 years with the hospital. But the intensivists and the hospitalists and the respiratory therapists really were looking for additional ways to keep track of BiPAP patients and then mechanically ventilated patients on SpO2 devices to help be able to track them independently so respiratory therapy can be more involved in their patients. And that's it. I thank you all and have